Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Alex and today I'm going to show you how to create a quick rumble effect in Unity. This can be used for creating mechanic for controllers, like it's going to shake, the controller starts shaking, and then you can change the vibration speed and intensity. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing you have to do is you're going to head on to this webpage. This is github.com/speps/xinput.net. So all I have to do is go to this webpage, then go to the release tab, and then you're going to download the xinput.net version 2017.04 to that Unity package or later. Then just click on it and then just open, or you can just save it. So after that, just double click on it to open it in your Unity editor. Then just import, and then just wait for it to import the package, and you can start rumbling your controller. So let's wait a bit. Here we go, it's done installing. So if you see, you can go to examples, then open up the script here. This is like a basic rumble effect, but if you're like not really good in C#, this might be a bit confusing to you. So this is how the script looks. It's a lot of code, so we won't be using this for like our shaking or vibration. So let's go on to the scene xinput test, and this is where you can test to this is how it will work. So if you don't have a controller already plugged into your computer, then you should buy one. The link in the description for my recommended tutorial or controller that I bought. It's the A-Power controller, so just get it, or if you have one, you can just connect an Xbox controller. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is when you connect it, make sure it's connected, and now to try it, hold down the right trigger, and you should feel a small vibration start in your controller. And if you hold the left trigger, it's going to be a bigger vibration. So I don't know if you can hear it, but it's actually there. And also, if you we can move the other controls for this. You can change the color for with the buttons, but in this tutorial, focusing on the vibration. So the first thing, head on back to your sample scene, and I'm going to go to UI, and then I'm going to add a button. I don't want to text control. I'm just gonna add a button like that, and then I'm going to run the button, and I'm going to create a new script, and I'm going to call it shake test. You can name it however you want, so it doesn't have to be shake underscore test. So just open it up in Visual Studio, and then head on to the xinput test.cs and copy these 3 lines of code. You can just rewrite them, but I think copying is easier. And if you get this highlighted error, just add a using xinput.net per the using tag, and see the errors are now gone. So now the first thing you have to do is you're going to create a new public void, which is going to add the vibration. Public void enable rumble. Now you can do gamepad. So if you go to the script, you can see that we have this. So let's gamepad, let's have vibration, player index, and then you're going to you can change this to the values you want each part of the controller to be set to. So let's set this one to 0.1 F float and 0.1 F to here. So now go back to Unity, and then you're going to First, I'm gonna add a disable Rumble public function. So let's create a new function and rename it to disable Rumble. Then just set the vibration to 0F. Just like this. Next, go back to your Unity project. And now if you create two buttons, just duplicate them. You go on the canvas, add that script to the canvas instead of the button. Now if you can go on the first button, let's rename it to enable, and the other button to disable. And now you can go here and just drag in the onClick event for the first button to the canvas object, and then go to shake test and enable Rumble, and then do the same thing for the disable, just with the disable Rumble function. And now let's take it for a test, and let's see. So enable. Enable Rumble. We have a little issue here. I'm completely sure why. So let's see. So oh, okay. So maybe we could just set it in the update function, because this is because it only runs one time. So maybe we could do something like public bool enabled equals false. Then if enabled, and then we're just gonna set the vibration to 0.1F, and then else if enabled is false, you're going to do the opposite, which means disable Rumble. Now on the enable Rumble, you're going to set enabled to true, and on disable Rumble, you're going to set enabled to false. Now it should work perfectly. So let's head into the Unity project and let's click play. Now, wait. For some reason, it still doesn't work. I'm not completely sure why. So, let's just check the text here and let's see what problem we have. So, so the set vibration is so this one isn't really correct, so I don't know exactly why they're doing it that way. So shake test, let's see, oh, I think I get it now. So what we have to do is we're going to have to set the player index, which is the controller, to player index.1, which is going to be the first controller we have. So you have multiple controllers attached to your computer. You have to make sure that there's only one controller attached. Now it should work, and it does now. Okay, great. Disable, enable, disable, enable, disable, enable, disable. I wonder still why it doesn't work without this, because it worked for me. Because if we go back to Unity now and run it again, oh, it works too. Okay, great. So this is like a rumble effect in Unity. So the link to download this controller is in the description too. So if you wanna download or buy it, it's on Amazon. So yeah, Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. And please subscribe and join my Discord server. All the links are in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.